In this video, we are going to solve some questions on mixed operations in rational numbers. Perform the mixed operations using the BEDMAS rule. So, we have some examples with BEDMAS rules. Let's start with these A and B. We have 2 minus 2 over 3 and 2 plus 2 over 3. We can think like this as a one big fraction. Here is the numerator and this is the denominator. So, what should we do in this kind of questions? We separately find the value of numerator and denominator of the big one. So, we should find first 2 minus 2 over 3. 2 minus 2 over 3. In subtraction of rational numbers, we should have equal denominators. Here actually we have 1 and the other denominator is 3. So we should multiply the first fraction by 3. We have equal to 6 minus 2 over 3. 3 after multiplying by 3, I write 3 as common denominator. So this is equal to 4 over 3. Numerator is 4 over 3. What about 2 plus 2 over 3? So we perform the same steps, and 2 plus 2 over 3, we have 1, we multiply by 3 to get equal denominator. Equal denominator is 3, so 3 times 2 is 6, 6 plus 2, which is 8 over 3. So this question now I can write in this form with 4 over 3 and 8 over 3. Actually here we have division operation. 4 over 3 we divide by 8 over 3. And in division, what do? We write the first product, first dividend, and then we multiply it by the reciprocal of 8 over 3. It means we write it as 3 over 8. And before performing this multiplications, we see that we can make simplification. Here 4 and 8 we may simplify. Here we have 2, here we have 1. And we can simplify 3 and 3. So the answer is 1 over 2. We have solved A1. Yes, so the answer is 1 over 2. Let's write it here. What about B1? We have mixed numbers, we have different operations, and between rational numbers. So, 1 and 1/4 is, first of all, 1 and 1 over 4 is 4 times 1, 4 plus 1, it is 5. So we can write as improper fraction, and it is 5 over 4. Remember the BEDMAS rule? We have to give priority division and multiplication, then addition and subtraction. In this case, here we have multiplication, here we have division. So, let's write down the question again. 5 over 4 times 3 over 5 minus 2 over 7 divided by 5 over 13 plus 7 over 10 and minus 1 over 2. Let's do this. Yes. Here we have multiplication and here we have division. So we give priority to these operations. In this multiplication, we can simplify 5 and 5. Good. So here we have 1 and here we have 1. The result of this product is 3/4. Minus. Here we have division, so I rewrite with multiplication. So 5/14 will be 14/5. And plus 7/10 minus 1/2. Question. Why I don't make subtraction here, but I rewrite? Remember, when we have only addition and subtraction or all in multiplication and division, we have to start from the left side to the right side. Okay. So here we have priority multiplication. And again, we see simplification between these two numbers, 14 and 7. So here we have, if we continue, let's rewrite again. 3/4 minus 2 times 2 is 4/5 plus 7/10 minus 1/2. Okay, now we have only addition and subtraction. To finish this, we have to have equal denominators. The question is, what is LCM of 4, 5, 10, and 2? As you guess, yes, you are right, 4, 5, 10, and 2, LCM is 20. It means we have to multiply these rational numbers by this first one we have to multiply by 5, second one by 4, third one by 2, and the last one by 10. If we continue, we will have equal denominator 20. Here it is. And 5 times 3 is 15. Minus 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 2 times 7 is 14. And minus 10 times 1 is 20. If we finalize it, 15 minus 16 plus 14 minus 20, it's minus 1 plus 14 is 15. 15 minus 20 is negative 5. So negative 5/20, yes, you are right. We can simplify 5 and 20. We can simplify, we can divide both by 5, and here we will have 4. The final answer is negative 1/4. Negative 1/4 is the final answer. Now let's solve this one. 2 plus 1/4 divided by 5/7 minus 3/4 plus 1, and then times 1/3. Bedmass rule, so brackets first. Let's do like this. We number the brackets 1 and 2. So we solve the first bracket and then we find the value of second bracket. 2 plus 1/4. Equal denominator we must have. Here we have 4, here we have 1. So we multiply the first number by 4. We will have equal denominator 4. And here we have 8 plus 1, which is 9/4. Good. The second one, the second bracket is 5/7 minus 3/4 plus 1. So here we have 4 and 7 and 1. Let's show also the denominator of 1. Here we have 1. Equal denominator is 28, as you see. We should multiply first by 4, second by 7, and here we have only 1, so we should multiply by 28. we will have 28 as common denominator, and 5 times 4 is 20, minus is 21, 3 times 7, and plus 28, which is equal to minus 1 plus 28, it's 27 over 28. Wow. Okay, so we have their division and then times 1 over 3. If I write it again with the results, I can write it here, I think, yes. So we have 9 over 4 divided by 27 over 28, then times 1 over 3. Remember, we have to go from left to right. So here we have division. We should write this division as multiplication. So I will have 28 over 27 times 1 over 3. Do you see any simplification? Let's see. We can simplify 28 and 4. We can divide both by 2, and here I will have 2 and here 14. Oh, yes, you are right. We would divide by 4 directly, yes. If we divide again, here we have 1, and here we will have 7. Okay, and what about 9? We have 9 on numerator and 27 and 3 on denominator. We can divide both these numbers by 9. Here I have 1, here I have 3. So, if I write them again, after simplification, here I have 1, so I don't need to write anything. Here I have 7 over 3, and then 1 over 3. Their product is 7 over 9. In multiplication, we multiply and numerator and denominator. Okay, so the answer is 7 over 9. Here it is. 7 over 9. We continue with these two questions. We have so many minuses here. Okay, in this kind of questions, we have to start from the inner bracket. Okay, so we have minus 1 over 2, and it's negative 2 power. Don't mix this minus and this minus. This is the power, but this is belong to 1 over 2. Okay, what to do? We have minus. All right. Let's do like this. First, perform this. What is it equal to? Negative 2 power of minus negative 1 over 2. So, because of minus power, I write negative 1 over 2 as negative 2 over 1. And now I have just positive power 2. You see? Okay. So, and I can do that. It's equal to negative 2 square actually. It's equal to 4. In the original question, I found the value of this. And it is equal to 4. Okay. I continue. So, I have what now? Negative 4. This minus here. And I have 4. Negative 4 and it's negative third power. Okay, negative 4 with negative third power. Negative power, what does it mean? I have minus 4 here, so I have to take reciprocal of minus 4. It is 1 over 4. So now I have third power of it. Okay, it's equal to negative cube. So negative times negative times negative. The result will be negative. And we have cube of 1 and cube of 4. I have negative 1 over 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. This is the final answer. I have negative 1 over 64. What about E? So we have 2 over 3, 4 over 3, 5 over 9 with negative and positive powers. Okay. So let's work with these brackets one by one. 4 over 3, negative 1 power. What does it mean? 2 over 3. It is, yes, you are right, it is 3 over 2. Okay, what about the second bracket, mini bracket? It is 4 over 3 square. 4 over 3 squared. So it is, yes, 4 square and 3 squared, which is equal to 16 over 9. What about the third one? Yeah, I write it here. Here I have 5 over 9. 5 over 9. Negative 2 power. It's, yes, 9 over 5 square. Because of minus, I take the reciprocal. I flip the 5 over 9 to 9 over 5. And it is 81 over 25. So, I can write the questions again. So I continue here. 3 over 2 times 16 over 9. And then plus, I have 81 over 25. Okay, it's equal to what? Here we have multiplication. Brackets and then multiplication. So we can simplify. Yes, 16 and 2. Here we have 8 and 1. We can simplify and 3 and 9. Here we have 3. Here we have 1. The result of this product in the bracket is 1 times 8 is 8 over 1 times 3 is 3. We have plus 81 over 25. We have 3 and we have 25 in denominator. We must have equal denominator and least common multiple of these two numbers. Because again, they don't have any common factor, 25 and 3. So it will be 3 times 25, which is 75. It means we should multiply first rational number by 25 and the second one by 3. If we continue, we will have equal denominator 75, and here we have 25 times 8, which is 200, plus 3 times 81, which is 243. Okay, and the final answer is, maybe not the final yet, maybe we will simplify. It's 443. Yes, 443 over 75. Can we simplify this by any number? By 3, no, both odd numbers. Okay, I think we can leave like this. So the result is 443 over 75.